All right. Good morning. Today's Monday, the 8th of May. Welcome to the weekly. Well, is it fair to say weekly? I don't do it every week, but to the weekly forecast. Yeah. So, been away this weekend. Had some stuff to do. Didn't look at the charts at all. Didn't trade on Friday. I don't remember if I did a daily recap on Friday, but yeah, I know I did a what's it called? I did a case study on Thursday, but I don't think I did anything on Friday. Because I do pre-market analysis now as well, I'll try to focus more on the high time frames when doing the forecast, more long term. So let's just break it down. I don't know if my charts are clean. I haven't looked at it yet. It seems to be pretty clean. Get that on. Get that. One moment. I gotta clean it up a little bit, add everything that needs to be added, and then we can go. Whoa. So, main question you want to answer on a forecast, on a pre-market analysis when we're trading is where is price most likely to go next? Shout out Krishna. For that, that's essentially what we try to do, right? We try to determine where price is most likely to go next because based on that, we form our bias because we want to trade in the direction where price is most likely to go next. Now, first thing I can see is if we go on the daily and weekly, is we have our previous daily high and low over here. Previous daily high, and then over here we have our whoa, whoa, whoa. And over here we have our previous daily low. Okay. Okay. So we are inside that range. Now weekly wise, we got our previous weekly high. And we got two weekly highs here. So I want to actually mark out both or just this one. I can do both, but it will be a little bit more messy. Then we got our previous weekly low down here. That is high. That is a low. To get that clean on. Save this. So what do we know? Well, we know that we are inside this red range. And we know that we got this purple structure realigning now with a red structure. We know that we got two previous weekly highs above. We also know that we got some liquidity down here, this low, these, but now we're playing this red range. We're focusing on that for now. Also noticeable is that this was pretty impulsive price action until here, and then price became more correctional. So then we also know that we are above all the highs. Now DXY. Gonna clean it up as well. Bit more messy, but essentially same story here. But this thing I marked up before where I said we might come down first and then continue up. Well, didn't respect the fair value gap. Sorry. But we did respect this range. However, we also respected this red range. Same story here. We got now this liquidity, so we can take that off. And, let's keep that on for now. We got these equals over here. Again, previous weekly high or low. And we can see now the price already heading that direction. And I think if we just check this out real quick, realigning with the red range, we can see that we're reaching to the premium. And now we can see price going further down, meaning EU will probably come further up. So what do we have? Again, the highs, we are above all highs, but we're following this red structure. So my forecast for this week is that we at least take out these highs. This one. Maybe we get something like this. We take out these highs and then check. And we are then we get closer to the key level marked out there. I think from this line where I marked that out, we can already draw on the key level, but it's essentially this area. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, we come above there. Yeah, I like that. Okay. So again, forecast wise, I see price coming above these old highs. First take up previous daily high, and then come further down because there's some liquidity that will be. I'm forming a buys now as well. Come further down. Come up. Then respect that key level. That would be ideal. I think it will respect it. Come down into a discount, maybe, of that dark blue, and then continue up. That's my idea for this week. The thing, most tradable areas are longs from here, shorts from here, then shorts on the way down as we form bearish structure, longs from the discount. Oh, it will then be from this high somewhere, this high discount of this range, for longs ideally below this, or this one, and then longs continues up. Yeah, I like that idea. So take out the previous data high, come further down. So we can look for sell maybe, and continue up, look for longs, sells down, and continues longs. That's for EU. Then GU. So that would mean, by the way, for DXY, that would mean we come below here. We actually took that out already. Take out this one, then come up again. And then take out these lows. Yeah. Thing is that DXY is a bit higher than EU. So if it comes above here first, and then we get a proper sell-off, it would mean that EU doesn't need to come above all the way up here, and we can get the sell-off from this area. Gotta keep that in mind. And GU, DXY is still looking lower. EU still looking higher. GU is above old highs. And we're actually heading towards this high now. Heading towards the high. We still got a red structure going on. Now we already took previous daily highs on GU. Think, but outside my trading time, so I'm not bothered at all. I don't care. And weekly wise, oh, that was the weekly high as well. So the previous weekly high, and then we put that at the bottom, just so it's more readable. And then we get previous weekly lows down there. All right, now we know that weekly wise, if we come above here, we have some space to go further up. Got some areas over here. As well, EU as well as GU is in a key area, support area. That's quite big though, but yeah. As you can see, it's where we got reaction from over here, return, continue down. This is where this impulse stopped. That's where we rejected here. So something like this. Yeah. So I see GU coming above this high, 100%. Take out that high. And then we continue down. I don't know what is there. Let me check. We have here nothing. Then check here. Yeah, we got this 4-hour PY still sitting above kind of the supply zone over here. So yeah, we can still turn around from that. But essentially, as we come up and we had this 4-hour push here. To the upside, and while still following this red structure, we might see price come up here. And then turn around and either respect this red range or continue down. Could also get something like this. Here we induce buyers of the red range. And then we come up, actually get a long trade, and then we get the continuation down. Now what range? Yes, and then the last range is this one. This low to this high, which is quite a large range. You want to achieve discount of that range as well. So we are above some old highs, these highs, this high, also above this high, but that one never reached discount. Therefore, want to see lower pricing, ideally from below these lows, but it would be quite large. Although I don't know a lot about the news on GU, but that would be quite a large move. However, that can still happen. So take out these highs and then continue down. That's my idea now. Wait for price to come up here, and then we look for turnaround, clear turnaround, or somewhere here. But I will mark it on as it comes, not right now. So yeah, that's my idea for GU. So EU, I'm expecting previous daily highs to be taken, then get a potential short into longs, and then hopefully get a discount on that more major range. And GU kind of same story, where I hope for price to come a bit higher, get shorts, and then fake into longs, and then continue down as EU reaches its discount. GU should reach lower pricing as well, meaning DXY should reach higher pricing after taking these lows. For Y, it's that as well, because we get more impulsive price action here. But this is all ranging correction also. We might just see taking out this out, price take out this low, and then a turnaround switch structure. All right, peace out. That was the forecast.